Hey there! Have you ever settled down for a movie night only to find out that your Samsung soundbar has no sound? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we're going to explain how to fix Samsung soundbar no sound so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and music with crystal clear audio. Step 1. Check the basics. Before diving into more technical solutions, let's start with the basics. Ensure that all wires and connections are secure. Double check that the soundbar is powered on and that the TV or external device is set to the correct input or audio output channel. Sometimes simply turning the soundbar off and then on again can resolve minor glitches. Also, make sure the volume isn't muted and try adjusting it using both the soundbar's controls and the remote. Step 2. Inspect the audio settings. Next, it's time to review the audio settings on both your Samsung soundbar and the connected device. On your TV, navigate to the audio settings menu and make sure that the output is set to the soundbar. For Samsung TVs, this might appear as external speaker or HDMI. You can also try different sound modes on your soundbar to see if it influences the audio output. Step 3. Test different sources and cables. If you're still experiencing silence, the issue might be with the cables or the source. Try connecting a different device like a smartphone or a tablet to your soundbar using Bluetooth or another method like an aux cable. This will determine if the problem lies with the primary connected device. Additionally, replace the HDMI or optical cables to rule out faulty wiring. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause compatibility issues that affect audio performance. Check for available firmware updates for your Samsung soundbar by visiting the support section of Samsung's official website. Download the latest firmware version, usually provided on a USB drive, to install it on your soundbar. After updating, test if the sound issue has been resolved. Step 5. Perform a system reset. If you've tried all the previous steps and still face sound issues, performing a factory reset on your soundbar can help. This will revert all settings to default and potentially fix any configuration mishaps. To do this, refer to your soundbar's user manual for specific reset instructions, as the process may vary between models. Step 6. Contact Samsung support. After exhausting all troubleshooting methods, it might be time to contact Samsung support for further assistance. Be sure to provide them with all relevant information about your soundbar model and the troubleshooting steps you've taken. They may offer advanced solutions or recommend a service center for hardware repair. Fixing a Samsung soundbar with no sound can be frustrating, but these steps will guide you from checking simple connections to more complex solutions like firmware updates and system resets. Remember, ensuring your equipment is properly maintained can prevent such issues in the future. We hope this guide on how to fix Samsung soundbar no sound helps restore your audio and brings your sound system back to life. Enjoy your shows and music with the immersive audio you love.